Traveling violation committed by jersey number 24. Number 10 now to number 23. Number 10 to jersey number 23 now. Bacon. Intercept by jersey number 24. Pass to number 88. Buelo to jersey number 28. Good for 2 points. Number 19, no good. Sana, rebound by jersey number 35 to jersey number 23. Number 23 laid up. Good for 2 points. Committed by jersey number 23. Number 33 now. Jersey number 6, naganap na mapasahan pa sa jersey number 31. Pasa sa Robin, pasa sunod pa, number 88. Number 88 now, attempt for laundry, short, nandiyan sa number 23. Agawan ng bola, rebound by jersey number 23 to number 88. Good for 2 points, committed by jersey number 88. Number 19. Number 19 now, pass to jersey number 24. Then turnover. Number 23, Kiki. Number 23 to jersey number 0. Number 10 now pass to jersey number 35 to jersey number 0 at 4 long 3. Nugget. Agawan na bola. Rebound by jersey number 31. Number 31 now nagmamadali. Rumara nila. Jersey number 31. Number 23 to put the ball. Pass to jersey number 23 again. Mariano. Ang back to back. Big play of the game. Lamia chopped. 40 up. Number 23, naghahanap na mapasahan. Pass to jersey number 0 sa gilid. Number 0, no good. Rebound by jersey number 24. Number 24 to jersey number 3. Jersey number 88. Number 88 now. Pass to jersey number 23. And it out. Agawan ng bola. Huli ka. Stepping on 40 up ka na Barangay San Vicente Ball. Dolora Ball. Kagawat Titalay Ereno. Number 19. No good. Number 35. Pass to jersey number 23. Number 23 now is only dribbling the ball. Number 23 to back to number 23 again to jersey number 0. Number 0 now to number 23 to number 23. The board member, number 23 now. Pasa sa ilalim, number 88, no good. Rebound by jersey number 23 at the M4 long 2, no good. Rebound by jersey number 24. Number 24 now, pass to jersey number 33, too good. Mga kapatid, no good. Rebound by jersey number 88. Pass to jersey number 23 now at 3-P-1. Number 23 to number 23. Using the board, good for 2 points. Committed by jersey number 23. Number 31, pass sa ilalim, Momomba, Pumege, but birthday with G. Pusat pang jumper. Yan. Good for 1 point. Number 35 to jersey number 23. Number 23 now pass to jersey number 0. Back to jersey number 35. Back to jersey number 23. Number 23 now, Dominic Carte. Natauban. Jersey number 31 now. Jersey number 31. Pass by jersey number 0, nakawala. Number 33, Pumeke. Nugget. Agawan ng bola. Agawan ng buko. Number 19. Yes, good 2 points. Committed by jersey number 19. Number 31 now. Number 31. Kuya Dube, number 31. Lays up. Good for 2 points. Committed by jersey number 31. And now, jersey number 23. Number 23, Dominic Carty. Pass to jersey number 0. Atayan for Lonky. Air ball to number 23. Yes, good for 2 points. Committed by jersey number 23. Number 19, pass to jersey now, which is now, no good, driven by jersey number 19, pass indicated by jersey number 88, number 88 now, number 88, 2B1, Yuki the board, good 40 points, committed by jersey number 0. Number 31, nagdadala ng bola. Jersey number 31, pass to jersey number 19. A good chance by jersey number 23 sa ilalim number 33. Bumaba, pumake, no good. Agawan ng bola. Iwan by jersey number 23. Number 23 now, nagpapadali, rumarag sa pool. No good. Jumpers get ready for the second and last throw by jersey number 23. No good pa rin. Number 19, pass to jersey number 31. A good challenge by jersey number 23. Number 31 now, pass agad na play. Good 2 points. Delivered by jersey number D. Coming from the team, Laupin John. Number 23 now. Number 23. Naghanap lang kapin. Number 23 now. Tumalaksak. Rumarag sa talented basket at my three. Choppers get ready for the first and last throw by jersey number 23. Now pass to jersey number 31. Number 31 now. Pass kay jersey number 19. Natin for long two. Good ball. By jersey number 19. Number 25 now. Number 25 from there. Nakula. Number 0 now. Last 2 minutes. Number 25, no good. Ribbon by jersey number 24. To number 0. Air it out. Ribbon by jersey number 24. To number 31. To number 31 again from Meke. Bumumba. Pass to jersey number 19. No good. Ribbon by jersey number 23. Number 23 now. 3v1. Number 23. Using the board. Good for 2 points. 1 minute and 20 seconds to play. No good. Ribbon by jersey number 19. Good for 2 points. Good by jersey number 19. Number 88. Number 88 now. No good. Ribbon by jersey number 24. Seconds to play. Number 35. Sa ilalim, ganda play, pick and roll. Committed by jersey number 35 and assist by jersey number 88. 35 seconds to play. And this is by jersey number 35. And number 23, another number 23 now. Lays up, using the board, Paktay. Seconds to play. 15 seconds to play. 10 seconds to play. 5 seconds to play. And that's the end of the first quarter of the game. Number 12, Papa Jack, short. Agawan ng bola, agawan ng buko, kanito kayo mapunta. Number 22 to number 20, 4. And now jersey number 17. Here's the board. Goes for 2 points. Committed by jersey number 17. Number 8 now. Number 22, good cover, committed by jersey number 22. Papa Jack, only dribbling the ball. Proud to Monty. Now number 16. Pulutan now, dribbling the ball. To jersey number 21, good for 2 points, committed by jersey number 20. Along 2. Yan, si jersey number 20. And now, number 17, pass to jersey number 33. Number 17 now, attempt for long 3. No good. Rebound by jersey number 33. Hey! Number 23 to number 22. Number 22 now, here's the board. Ang kalawitin ng Laping Gold. Good for 2 points, committed by jersey number 22. Number 12. Passing jersey number 20. Number 10. Finish. No good. Number 8 now to Papa Jack. Look at the board. Yes, good for 2 points. Committed by jersey number 12. Oh, Manzi. Nakausap sa di na pagkubutan nga na. Number 33. Yes, good for 2 points. Committed by jersey number 33. Number 12 now, Papa Jack. Actually dribbling the ball. Pass to jersey number 10. Number 20, rather. Sa lalim. Uy, nakaupo. Pass to jersey number 8 to number 33 to number 17. Good first ball. Good rebound by 33. Number 33. No good rebound by number. Now on the season, now on number 24 to number 33. Number 3. Pass to 24. 24, pull up. Yes, good for 2 points by number 24. Papa Jack. Papa Jack. Namang Luis Carte to number 10. To Pailupak, kalumusot. Yes, good for 2 points by Pailupak. Bermido. Number 22. Ito alis number 22. 22 to 33. Sumera ng 3. No good. Rebound by number 10. Up. Nakuha ni number 8. Number 8. Tumira. Yes, good for 2 points by number 8. Papa Jack. Binabang bola. Tumalate. Malate. Hinaharas number 33. Up. Nabitawan. Number 33. Lumiyap. No good. Rebound by Malate. Up. Nakuha number 17. Laresma. Tumira ng 3. Yes, good for 3 points by Laresma. Pailupak. Binabang bola. Season. Season, kaya sa ilalim. Up, nakuha yung number 8. Number 8, pinabang bola. Number 8. Up. To 22. Number 22. To 33. Patera. No good. Rebound by Season. Tumalate. Tupapa dyan. Up. Nakuha ni Laresma. Laresma. So 3, no good, rebound by na 33, up. First throw. No good. Jumpers ready. Second try. Yes, good for 1 point by number 33. Try Comentas. Comentas. To Sagarino, lumusot, off, nakabitawan, nawali number 22, nagmamadali, 22 to 33, titira. Yes, good for 2 points by number 33. To Mariano, nagmamadali si Mariano, off, nawali number 1. To Rumbines, layup. Yes, good for 2 points by Rumbines. 33 to number 17. Karisma to Bainyo, titira, pinasa number 24 to number 8, pull out, no good, rebound by 33, bumaba up. Second try, number 33. No good, rebound by number 1. Noani, number 23. Alcomentas. Tuldanes, bibigyan sa gilid. Ipapabord ba? No good, rebound by Alcomentas, tira. No good again, follow up. Yes, good for 2 points by Alcomentas. 24. Mabawali si number 24. So, Laresma. Titira ng 3. No good. Rebound. 2 minutes 32 seconds remaining time. Laresma to number 33. Lulusot. Titira. No good. Rebound by number 23. Nawali si Garino. Nagmamadali. Sagarino. Leleap. Pinala. No good. Rebound by number is this? Number 22 to 24. Makulang tera. Yes, good for 1 point. Jumpers ready. No good. Nariband ni Sagarino to Alcomendas out. Nawani number 22, nawani number 8. Number 22 off. Number 22, second free throw. So good, this pala. Tuldanes, 1 minute 42 seconds remaining time. Tuldanes, dagang may binabawang bola. To Alcomendas. To Tuldanes, to Rumbines. Off, nabitawan. Laresma to 24 to Mira. Yes, good for 2 points by 24. Tuldanes, namamadali si Tuldanes. Pakulang tira off. Kabintawan, nawali number 22 to 33. Belong, 33. Easy 2 points by number 33. seconds. Alcomendas to Tuldanes. Lumusot, off, pakiwagi tira. So good, rebound by number 8 to number 33. Off, no good. Lawan ni Laresma, titira ng 3. Wala. 20 seconds. Sagarino, 15 seconds.
Tonarino for 3. No good. Rebound by 24. 24. 5 seconds. 33. Number 33. For 24. Tumira out.